Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. I love my Miele vacuum, and these are the vacuum bags that I love to get for it. Miele recommends only using Miele brand vacuum bags with your cleaner, so that's what I always make sure to do. I want to make sure that the bags are really compatible with my machine and are going to help it work its best. This is a pack of 4 bags, and you also get 2 of the filters. These bags are so nice. They have a 99.9% filtration, and they're super easy to use. So there is a little cartridge style device that clicks into place, and it's easy to pull it out when you need to change out the bag. They have a 2-liter capacity, and they also have a filter. So this filter is looking pretty good, so I don't need to change it right now, but you do have the filters there, which you can cut down to size based on which model of machine that you have. I've never had any issues with dust or dirt or anything spilling out of the bag when I've gone to change it out. So I love that it's just really easy to maintenance this machine, changing the bag, changing the filter, and then always having excellent results. So if you've got a Miele vacuum, you're going to be super happy with these bags. They do an excellent job, and that's my point of view.